This timer keeps going, it splits the seconds down to hours. Don't worry, he counts them all on the fingers he cut off. They taste like smoke and lollipops. Her mouth isn't fatal, but the song he wanted wasn't playing, or able to be picked off of the tip of her tongue. This really doesn't fit him all that much. Nothing gets quite close to him. He steals her voice and then we sing. She's bloody and beaten, the silent visions were messy.